her gold is not in her. She's a diamond under her.
Okay, so we're doing 5 off of 25 all additional scenarios. So these are the scenarios that I came up with, just some ideas on how you can, get the things that you need. So for this transaction, you're going to need, this is just for laundry, like if you need your bleach, you need your detergent, you need fabric softener, all the things for the laundry, okay? So you're gonna need to clip your your 3 off of 2 for the swab, your 5 off of 25, your $2 off for the tag, your $2 off for the tab pods, your 2 your 2 off of 2 for the Cottonelle, Kleenex, and your dollar off of 2 for the Clorox, and your $2 off for the Downy. Okay, so all those items gonna equal up to $26.65. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $21.65. The $2 off for the tag gonna come off, make it $19.65. $2 off for the tag pods gonna come off, make it $17.65. $2 off for the Downy fabric softener, make it $15.65. $1 gonna come off for the Clorox bleach, make it $14.65. $2 gonna come off for the Kleenex to go wipe, make it $12.65, and then $3 gonna come off for the Suave professional shampoo, make it $9.65 for 9 items, making each item only $1.07, which I feel like is a great deal. You got you got your bleach, you got your fabric softener, you got your Tide detergent and the pods. I don't know what you need tissue for, but you might want some to-goes just to wipe your face for all that washing and stuff you do. Might be pulling on the sweat. I don't know. But I feel like this is a great deal. Okay, let's see what else we can come up with. Okay, so this is my next 5 off of 25 all digital scenario. This is basically paper products. Okay, so this is just an ideal that you could do if you're trying to stock up on some paper products, a little bit of personal item, a little bit of cleaning items. Okay, so what the coupons you need to clip is the 50% off for the Clorox, I guess it's forensic for something, I can't pronounce that spray, the fancy pink bottle. The 2 off of 2 Scott toilet paper. You can get a toilet paper and a paper towel, but I think you will be paying a little bit more. I just grabbed 2 of the Scott toilet paper because they is in the ad for $4.50. Okay, 2 of the Kleenex to go tissue, the 5 off of 25, the $2 off, the $4 off of 2 for the Colgate, your $2 off of 2 for the Unilever products, and your 50% off for the Scrub and Bubble. Okay, so all those items is going to equal up to $26 even. That 5 off of 25 gonna come on, make it $21. The 4 off of 2 for the Colgate gonna come on, make it $17. The 2 off of 2 for the Scott toilet paper, make it $15. The 2 off of 2 for the Kleenex gonna come on, make it $13. Your 2 off of 2 for the Unilever skin products gonna make it $11. Your 50% gonna come off for the Scrub and Bubble toilet bowl cleaner, make it $10.50. Your 50% for the Clorox, whatever that scent, gonna make it $10. $10 for 10 items, making each item only $1. I feel like that is a great deal, and I feel like you're getting a little bit of everything. Just remember that if you get the paper towel, you might be paying a little bit more. And that's pretty much it. So this is just an ideal. I'm just giving y'all ideas right now. I don't know if I'm going to do any of these deals myself. So the last and final deal is about to come up. Okay, so this is our last all digital scenario. Now for this scenario, my idea was I wanted more cleaning supplies, so this was kind of like a cleaning supplies scenario. Okay, so I hope y'all like it. Okay, you got to clip the 5 off of 25, your $3 off of 2 for the Suave Professional, your 50% off for the Scrub and Bubbles, your 5 off of 2 for the Suave, your 50% off for the Clorox, the $1 off of 2 for the Clorox products, and the 2 off of 2 for the Kleenex to go. Okay, and yes, I put those to go because it's an item that is easily use. You can just easily put it on in your wallet and stuff. It's just easy for you to carry around. But anyway, all those items equal up to $26.30. That 5 off of 25 gonna come off, make it $20.30. The 5 off of 2 for the Suave Gold gonna come off, make it $16.30. The 2 off of 2 for the Kleenex make it $14.30. That $1 off of 2 for the Clorox products make it $13.30. The 50 cent off for the Scrub and Bubble toilet bowl cleaner gonna make it $12.80. 50 cent gonna come off for that Clorox fancy spray, whatever, gonna make it $12.30. $3 gonna come off for the Suave Professional, making $9.30 for 10 items, making each item only 93 cents. Which I feel like you cannot beat that. You getting cleaning supply. You getting cleaning supplies. Like for the bleach sprays, you can get the $2.50. I just always get the bathroom spray, which are $2.50, or I would get the Clorox bleach itself, which is $2.50 at my store. These are just some ideas of how you can use the digital coupons to get the item that you actually need. And yes, I think I did good because each of these was at least $10 and under. So I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, and also I would like to say all these scenarios will be located in the Google Doc. You don't have to copy what I did. This is just an idea on how you can save on getting the things you actually need. Okay, so please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. Like this video, share this video, and do all those things old people tell you to do at the end of the video. And thank you, Teen Shorties, for sticking with me. And pretty much that's all I got to say. You have any questions or anything, please comment below. Bye.